Winter doesn't mean giving up fresh herbs. Indoors, you can grow a mini garden that brings fresh flavors to winter dishes, even as it snows outside. Today I'll show you the 5 easiest herbs to grow indoors for a cozy winter harvest. Let's start growing. Basil is perfect for a winter setup. It grows fast and only needs indirect light. Place it near a window, water it weekly, and you'll have fresh basil to warm up winter salads, pastas, and even cozy soups. A touch of green for the winter months. Mint thrives indoors. Even in winter, it's hardy and needs very little care, just a sunny spot in its own pot. Mint is great for warm winter teas, festive desserts, or adding a fresh twist to comfort foods. Chives handle low light like a champ, so they're perfect for shorter winter days. They don't take up much space and grow well on a kitchen counter. Add a mild onion flavor to hearty winter stews and roast with fresh cut chives anytime. Parsley loves a windowsill and grows well in winter's lower light. A weekly watering is all it needs. Keep it around for fresh garnishes or to bring brightness to winter dishes. Plus, you'll save trips to the store. Thyme is a winter herb essential. It's drought tolerant and only needs a bit of light. With its earthy flavor, thyme is perfect for warming up winter soups, roasted vegetables, and meats. All the flavor without the fuss. To make sure your winter herbs thrive, here are a few quick tips. Avoid overwatering, give them bright but indirect light, and make sure pots aren't too cramped. Herbs will do well even through winter with these simple adjustments. Bring some green indoors this winter with these easy herbs. They'll liven up your space and add flavor to every meal. If you're excited to start a winter herb garden, like this video and subscribe for more indoor gardening tips. Comment below with the herb you're starting with.
What?